How to sync private email calendar on Android using OpenSync and CalDAV. You can sync private email calendars on any Android device with the OpenSync app and CalDAV. To sync your private email calendar on Android using OpenSync, first download the free OpenSync app. Start the OpenSync Sync app and tap the plus icon to add an account. Select login with URL and username. Enter in the private email CalDAV server URL and user/pass information. Server URL: https://privatemail.com/mail/dav.php/calendars/mycalendar. Username: privatemail.com email username. Password: privatemail.com email password. Tap login. You should now see the user profile added to OpenSync. Tap the user profile to select what calendar options to sync. Select the calendar items you wish to sync with the Android device.